Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Phrasal Verbs. Today we're going to talk about the phrasal verb to come out, okay? And the first meaning is to be released, okay? This could be a book, a movie or a TV series. For example, the new James Bond movie came out yesterday, okay? Another meaning is to appear. So for example, the sun came out. Okay, and this could be some type of secret or some kind of news that comes out as well. That could be another example of this. Okay, and the third meaning of to come out is to join the group. Okay, this is related to go out. Okay, for example, are you coming out tonight? And this is when you make plans with your friends and you ask another friend if they are coming out tonight.